Hello there. Welcome to third part of our blockchain learning journey. Today we're going to learn 5 key terms in crypto. Are you ready? Let's start with satoshi. Have you ever wondered about the smallest unit of Bitcoin? It's called a satoshi, named after the creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. There are a whopping 100 million satoshis in one Bitcoin. Next up we have gas. Think of it as the fuel that powers transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. The more gas you use, the quicker your transaction gets processed. It's like choosing a faster shipping option. You'll get your transaction processed quicker on the Ethereum blockchain because you paid a higher fee for priority handling. Now let's dive into smart contracts. These are like automated digital agreements that execute tasks when certain conditions are met. They are like virtual helpers, making things happen without needing a middleman. Smart contracts are used for creating tokens, running DeFi projects, and even predicting market trends. Solidity is the programming language of smart contracts on Ethereum. Think of it as the code that gives instructions to these digital agreements. Many blockchains use Solidity to power their smart contracts. Lastly, let's talk about tokenomics. It's all about understanding the distribution and economics of the token. By studying tokenomics, you can make informed investment decisions about any crypto token. Well done! You have just covered 5 new blockchain terms in this video. Keep exploring the world of crypto. I'm sure you enjoyed this informative video, so hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It costs you nothing but helps us create more content. Thanks for watching.